Hello programmers, back to another problem solving video, and today I will solve the unknown problem, which is welcome for you with conditions. Okay, so this is the question, and it says given two numbers a and b, print yes if a is greater than or equal to b, otherwise print no. Basically if it is a conditional uh, question, I have to use if else in this case. Okay, so just copy the question name, create a file. Okay, create a file dot cpp hash include bit slash std c plus plus dot h using namespace std integer main. Okay, so what is the value of a and b? 0 to 100, so I can take integer data type integer ab in right shift a b. Okay, and now you can solve this problem using if else, or you can use ternary operator. So here I will use ternary operator because it's a one line output. So the condition is print yes if a is greater than or equal to b. So cout a is greater than or equal to b. If the condition is true, then print yes, otherwise print no. Print the end line at the end. So this is the solution. Why it gives me error? This declaration has no storage class of or type. Don't know why the error occurs. G++ welcome for you. Okay, there's no error why when I run this build command. So let's run this 10 and 9. So it returns yes. Basically I have to type yes in this way, not all uppercase format. Okay. So build again, run 5 it also prints yes. Run 5 7, it returns with no. Okay, done. Now I can submit it. Browse welcome for you with conditions, open and submit. Okay, the verdict is running. Reload it. Okay, accepted. So I am end up this video here. See you on the next one, which is multiples. Okay, till then, tata, bye bye.